Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two drones that offer amazing features at different price points. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the comparison of the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the CuteAnt drones. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're filming a family reunion or exploring a deserted beach, the HS440 has got you covered. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones also come with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to manually adjust the lens for amazing views. It also offers the option to connect your phone via Wi-Fi for FPV mode and easy sharing with friends and family. Having a long-lasting battery is essential for extended flight time and uninterrupted fun. The Holy Stone HS440 drone comes with a powerful modular battery that provides up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture stunning content. Similarly, the CuteAnt drones provide a total of 30 minutes of flying fun with its two rechargeable batteries. This ensures that you have ample time to enjoy your drone before needing to recharge. Portability is a key factor to consider, especially if you plan to take your drone on adventures. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry around. It even comes with a convenient carrying case, allowing you to move the drone from one place to another hassle-free. Similarly, the CuteAnt drones are also foldable and come with a carrying case, making them highly portable and suitable for on-the-go adventures. User-friendly features enhance the overall flying experience and make operating the drone a breeze. The Holy Stone HS440 drone includes automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation for added fun during flight. It also comes with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it a great choice for beginners. Similarly, the CuteAnt drones feature one-touch takeoff, landing, altitude hold mode, and headless mode, catering to the needs of beginners and kids alike. It also offers additional features like 360 degrees flips, circle flight, and trajectory flight, adding more excitement to your flying experience. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two drones. And there you have it. The Holy Stone HS440 drone and the CuteAnt drones both have their own unique features and advantages. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember to consider factors like camera quality, battery life, portability, and user-friendly features when making your decision. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smart buying choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.